Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Logic of English Foundations B. We've been using this curriculum with our 5-year-old, and I'm really excited to share my thoughts with you. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Logic of English in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Logic of English is designed for early elementary students, typically ages 5 to 7, who have already completed Foundations A or who already know basic letter sounds and handwriting. It includes 4 core subjects with some grammar and vocabulary gently introduced as well. This curriculum is priced anywhere from $95 to $250, depending on whether you purchased a teacher's guide, student workbook, and additional materials like flashcards, readers, and spelling supplements. It can be purchased online through the Logic of English website or from other homeschool curriculum vendors. One of the strengths of this curriculum is how it builds seamlessly from Foundations A, reinforcing and expanding skills without overwhelming the learner. I love how the spelling rules are introduced in a way that makes sense, even to little learners. Another strength is the multi-sensory game-based style learning. This has been really helpful for keeping my little one engaged and excited to learn, especially since he's very active and benefits from movement and play. I also appreciate the scripted teacher's manual, which walks you through each lesson step by step. This has made homeschooling more manageable and has saved me a lot of planning time. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of the weaknesses is the time it takes to prepare some of the materials. I found that gathering all the flashcards and setting up games ahead of time can be a little time consuming. Another weakness is that some lessons can feel a little bit overwhelming, especially for a kindergartner with a shorter attention span. This was challenging because we had to break our lessons into 2 or more days, which slowed our progress. Lastly, the cost can be a hurdle for some families, especially if you're buying multiple components. This was a problem because it might not be accessible for everyone on a tight homeschool budget. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a thorough, well-researched, and engaging program for teaching foundational literacy skills. I think it's a great choice for hands-on learners, kids who need a strong phonics foundation, and parents who want a structured yet playful approach. However, if you're looking for a program that's completely open and go with minimal prep, then it might not be the best choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of Logic of English Foundations B. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.